Hey folks, this is the Bearded Rat, and this is a more in-depth look into my PlayStation 4 that I modified to be liquid cooled. As you can see, there's a hole in the bottom of the PlayStation now that is a water block for a computer that I got. Originally I had two fans here. One sitting there, one sitting there. I thought that was enough to cool it off, but it was not. I used the ps4 shell to house everything that I needed for this liquid cooled system. I'll open it up in a little bit and show you what's inside. You can see the water tank is on the back. I have a switch here to turn the whole thing on, which also turns on the ps4. So that way there's no accidents of overheating. And then I shall turn it on for you. It is quieter than jet mode. You can see the lights from the speed controller that's inside. That fan cools down the circuit board or the motherboard, the memories and all that. What I had to do inside is I had to obviously cut the bottom of the shell, remove the old fan, and I removed some of the old heatsink, modify the power supply to make room for that cooling block right there that you can kind of see. I'll zoom in. See right there. Now I'll show you what's on the inside. This is the inside of the liquid cool system inside the ps4 shell. As you can see right here, I have the power supply. It turns 120 volt AC into 12 volt DC, I believe 5 amps. Over here we have the pump. There's the circuit board that controls both fans. There is a Noctua fan. And behind that is the radiator. It's a 120 millimeter fan. This one is a 90 millimeter fan. And that's how I was able to connect the power supply to, this is how I was able to turn on the PlayStation 4 and the power supply to the pump. And all the electronics inside comes from this cable, goes up, around, and connects both right there to the switch on the back, which I will turn on now. And there we go. Here's the pump. The circuit board tells the information about the fans, what percentage they're running at. That connection was a little tough because of how small it is. You can see the radiator behind the fan as it spins. And that's about it. There it is, running. And this is actually bolted to the frame. Two spots, you can see another bolt back there. And there we go, all back closed up. And I got a screen on the back so you can't really see the radiator, so it kind of hides it. There's the switch. There's the PlayStation 4, and it's not attached in any way. It just sits there. That's it, folks. That's the liquid cooled ps4. Hope you guys like the video. Like and subscribe if you want. like I always say, if you didn't like the video, don't